Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow calls only from your contacts on Telegram. If you've been getting unexpected calls or just want a little more control over your privacy, this quick guide will help you set things up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version, since options can look slightly different depending on updates. Once the app is open, head to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines, or you might see your profile picture if your interface looks a bit newer. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, find and select Settings. This is where you'll be able to customize how Telegram behaves for your account. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is all about controlling who can see your information, message you, or in this case, call you now. Look for the Calls option. Tap on it, and you'll see several choices for who can call you, meaning anyone on Telegram can start a call with you. To limit it to just your contacts, tap on My Contacts. This tells Telegram to only allow voice and video calls from people saved in your phone's contact list. You can also make this even more specific by adding exceptions. For example, if you want to block someone in your contacts from calling you, or allow a particular person who isn't saved, you can adjust that using the Never Allow or Always Allow options right below. Once you've made your choice, just go back to the previous screen, and your settings will automatically be saved. That's it. You've successfully allowed calls only from your contacts on Telegram. It's a simple way to protect your privacy while still staying connected with the people who matter most. Remember, taking a minute to review your privacy settings can make your Telegram experience much smoother and safer. Thanks for watching.